pedicure, hair removal, skincare, hair care, and press on nails. Hey y'all, it's All of Destiny. While I have you for the next 20 minutes, this will be my self-care at-home maintenance week. Starting off with an at-home gel pedicure. The last I got my feet done was in December, but since I get gel, I guess it's not that bad. So I purchased the Pedi in a Box kit from Amazon for $7.99. Inside the kit, you'll get the salt soak, the sugar scrub, the mud mask, as well as the massage butter. So if you're not new to my channel, you know I like to do things myself, self-care, maintenance, all of that. I give you all the backstory one day. If you all care, let me know. I went to go and get a pedicure and I noticed the kit that she was using. I purchased it from Amazon. Actually, they sell it at a store in Memphis as well. It's on Madison across from, I think, Cash Saver. But pause, I got the receipt. It's right there. Do you see it? And they got different scents and everything. Not to like knock them for what they do at all, because trust me, like the spa experience is totally different from doing it myself, which is why I do occasionally go. But for times when I want that spa-like experience at home, I'm so glad to know that this Pedi in a Box kit is available on Amazon. So I'm starting off just by removing some of the dead skin near my big toe. I'm going to trim my nails down using this straight nail clipper. This helps me to maintain the shape that I like. That way I don't have to do so much work when it comes to filing. I'm going to use this razor to remove any unwanted hair. Then I'm going to take this buffing block. I'm going to dampen it with water, massage that over the bottom of my feet to further remove any dead skin. To clean underneath my toenails, I'm going to take tools like these. They have lots of different options. I'll link a few down below. So I'm just going to clean underneath my nails and then use the opposite side just to push back my cuticles. So depending on which type of kit you buy, you can get like the 2-in-1, which I love tools that are multi-purpose like these. Or if you can get a kit, I'll link a few kits down below. So next we're going to go ahead and take the sugar scrub and I'm just going to apply that all over my feet as well as my lower leg and massage for a good amount of time, because this is honestly one of my favorite steps and I want to really make sure I'm getting off all of the dead skin. My phone is ringing, but I'm keeping this take. So once I'm satisfied with my massage and using the scrub, I just basically use my hands to kind of rinse off the scrub and then I'll pat my feet dry. So the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and buff my nails, because I know y'all probably been staring at that gel the entire time, although you should not be distracted by such a thing. But the buffing block will just help me to remove that. I did chip one of my nails a few weeks ago, so I'm just going to take a nail tip. If you use the really large size for your thumbs, the 00s, that's usually the one that will fit your toe. And then I'm going to use my artificial nail clipper just to trim that down. Just get it down low enough to where you can begin the filing process. Another option for this, sometimes when my nails break and the shape isn't as perfect on the end the way I like, I'll also just build a fake nail using acrylic. But I didn't really feel like using the acrylic, so I just decided to use the tip option. Since I'm going to do a few coats of gel, it'll definitely keep it on my nail for the upcoming weeks. So I'm starting off with the Nail Addict base coat. I'm going to put that on all of my nails and cure underneath my UV lamp for 2 minutes. And y'all know I like to multitask, so while one foot is curing underneath the lamp, I move on to the opposite foot. Whether you're using gel or nail polish, you can do this little multitasking technique. Just be sure to use thin coats. So after the base coat, it's time to pick your color of choice. And I know, scroll back up to the video, stop typing. She's always using white. Whether you do your own pedicure or if you go to the salon to get it done, that's either time spent or money spent. Imagine walking out of the salon, leaving with a color that someone else likes more than you. It's 2021, and if you're not new to my channel, then you heard my leaving it in 2020 list. Amongst those things was living up to others' expectations, allowing others to lay their expectations on me, and people pleasing, which means she's using white. But if I flip to my other list, I have to read this occasionally to remind myself. It says, oh, well, look at that. Intentional actions. So this is an intentional action, guys. After I've kind of messily applied the gel, I'm using a small brush. Any type of alcohol will just basically move the gel around for you to clean up your mistakes. That's why I like using gel, because until I put it underneath the lamp, I can work with it as much as I want. So once I'm finished with both of my feet, I'm going to go ahead and take the top coat. These are two options that I love, but since we're using Nail Addict, I'll go ahead and stick with that one for today. I'm going to take this LA Colors Mega Grow. Just going to apply that since it has like a little tint to it. I only applied that to the big toe, but not over the white. And then I'm going to go ahead and let that dry. Apply 2 layers of my top coat. So next up in our series is hair removal. Today I'm using the Nair leg mask. I love this product a lot. I saw this on ᶫᵒᵛᵉᵧ channel and I purchased it when she did a video with them, and it works really well. So I'm just applying a thick layer of this. You want to apply a layer but not rub it all the way in, and don't exceed 10 minutes. And this is going to remove the hair and stubble. It also minimizes regrowth and ingrown hair, and it leaves my legs feeling nice and smooth. So I'm going to take a separate damp cloth and I'm just going to wipe away all of the leg mask, and when I wipe that away, it also removes the hair. I was going to upload this video around Valentine's Day. This was supposed to be some kind of little self-love series, but I decided not to stress myself out with trying to reach that deadline date of the 14th. But I purchased this cute little Love bath sponge from Dollar Tree, and I used it in combination with my Avon Skin So Soft oil wash with enriching coconut oil. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my shower, and I'll be right back. Wow, that was kind of quick. Okay, not really. Gotta love good editing. Time for oral hygiene. Today I'm taking the Colgate Total toothpaste in combination with my Arm & Hammer Spin Brush electric toothbrush. I'm going to brush for 2 minutes, and then I'm going to follow up with my Listerine mouthwash for about 30 seconds. Ooh, that's strong. The glow comes from within, but nevertheless, it's time for skincare. I'm using my Yes2 facial cleanser. It's all natural, and I'm kind of running out. That's gonna be in my product empties video soon. Whenever I don't wear makeup, my routine is like super quick. I just wash my face like effortlessly, like without thinking about it at all. Wipe it with my toner, put lotion on, and then I'm done. So I'm going to take a cotton pad and sea breeze and apply that onto the cotton pad and wipe that all over my face, my neck, as well as my ears. Don't forget the ears, please. So the sea breeze that I'm using, that's what was in that white and pink jar when I was doing my pedicure. I just didn't feel like going to re-grab the jar since I left it in the other room. I'm going to go ahead now and take my new night cream. If you watch my vlogs, then you saw where I recently purchased a few products from Avon, and I like this product a lot. When you wake up, it's not heavy, but I can just still feel that it's there and that it's doing something. This is the Anew Platinum Eye and Lip Cream. This is my first time being consistent with using a eye and lip cream. I never have before, but I turned 30 this year. Why not? Preventative measures. Then I take the flat side and I rub it on and around the lips. I do different things on different nights. I don't like to reach for every single item that's on my little shelf over there, like lip scrubs. I feel like when you have things in your routine and you occasionally incorporate them, that helps. Your body will probably go crazy if you incorporate every single thing that you own in one night. I like to keep some of my oils in here, and then I also have some in the film room. This one is by one of my subscribers, Capri Haircare. KHK, love your hair. It's 100% natural, maximum stimulating hair growth oil. I always just reach for whichever hair growth or stimulating oil I have, and I'll just put like drops of it on a little spoolie. And the reason I say you can just use any hair growth oil or anything is because hair is hair. I mean, not to be technical about it or anything. I don't know if it does anything, but I just like to nourish my lashes. I feel like since I have to clean my brows up it means that the hair continues to grow, if that makes sense. Like if you never have to clean your brows up, you could probably assume that they're just not growing. So that's all I feel like doing tonight. This is the Kapari deodorant. I showed you all the Skin So Soft. If I don't pick up that one, I've been loving the Kapari hydrating body wash as well. They sent this to me along with the stuff that I received from ᶫᵒᵒᵤ during Vlogmas. It was just like extra little products in there as well as this deodorant. And the reason that I like this one is like coconut oil. It's the coconut oil one. It says that it's baking soda free. I just put good things on the screen if I feel like doing that much editing. I don't wear this one too much during the daytime. I'll have to like try it out and see if it holds on me during the day, but overnight for sleeping I don't get too sweaty in this one. And I'm going to finish off with a little bit of perfume tonight. I'm going to put on Prada Candy. So yeah, I like to smell good going to sleep, so just gonna hit it on the back of my knees. And that's all I feel like doing tonight. So I'll collect some more tomorrow of different things and make this like one maintenance video because we need to do my nails tomorrow, and I'm gonna take these braids out. It's the next morning. If you all saw the video on these braids, her hair go down her back. Girl, you need a play, cause you the baddest side of
seen in a while and that's a fact.
But you already know that. Come here, let me
grab that. Booty like a backpack.
Y'all can't see me do the little Instagram real thing. Booty like
booty like a backpack.
If you have not copped Lil Greg's album, the Lil Greg All of Destiny Vlog Classics album, featuring some of y'all favorite songs that you've heard on my YouTube channel the past couple of years, then I just don't know what you're doing at this point. Besides watching this video, what are you doing? Why don't you have the album? Alright, so let's go ahead and take these out. I know y'all's end, it probably looks like I just put these up, but the day that something happens in real time for me and the day that y'all see it, it's usually two different things. That's why when somebody was like, she had that on Instagram the other day. You're right, I did. But it takes me forever to edit my YouTube videos. Call me out if you would like. Where do we get that from anyway? Not feeling offended by the comment at all, but like, what rule is there? I think it's personally wasteful to wear something only once. I mean, I guess it's different if you're like selling it, donating it, something like that, but to just have clothes in my closet to be like, I wore that once. What's funny? Tracee Ellis Ross, someone who could not wear things twice at all if she didn't want to. She posted about this coat that she has that she loves and what her mom taught her about basically when you pay good for something, you're supposed to get your money's worth out of it.
Good afternoon. I just woke up and threw this on. It'll be my first of many outfits for the day. Jingle bells.
And this is Tracee Ellis Ross. She could wear something once if she wanted to. Just snatching it off. And we're back to my hair. Okay, so guys, just filming this video because it's kind of been like spaced out day today. I told you I was going to do something to my hair. I think it's probably been at least a week since that previous footage y'all have seen. With the snow in Memphis currently, we don't get snow often. Basically, I'll put the little boil water advisory right here. And we basically have to boil our water now before we use it. So I'm just not going to wash my hair until we get some sort of notification that that is over with. So I'll just do a separate video because I wanted to use some of the products my subscribers sent me, but it's not worth me taking the risk since we have to boil it for other things already. I'm not, y'all get what I mean. So I'm just taking some of this moisturizer. Before I did the 2 long braids that you all saw in the previous clip, or if not, I'll put a picture right here. I did wash my hair before that style, so it's not extremely dirty. I just did want to get that product buildup and things out of it. I'm just gonna slick it up into a quick little ponytail and just kind of like moisturize it and put some oil on it. Make sure it's not too dry. Since we're just lounging around the house, I don't have to do anything too crazy just yet. I do have some wig reviews coming up, but for the time being, where's my brush? There it is. For the time being, I'm just gonna do this kind of style, and this hairstyle is very just self-explanatory. I know I said I wasn't going to talk, but this is one of my subscribers' products, so I have to put y'all on. This is the Luxe Locks Long and Luscious Luxe Hair Growth Oil. It's infused with ginger hibiscus. Basically, you just shake well and apply it all over the hair. And I wanted to show y'all this hairstyle because I know I get comments from y'all all the time saying Destiny is always so done up and put together, blah, blah, blah. No, I'm not. I wouldn't have done this much to my hair if you weren't here. Like, I'm taking my Ebin New York 24-hour edge tamer because your hairstyle is not complete if your edges are not on fleek. And there you have it, folks. A semi-cute, quick little hairstyle, because this is the most that I feel like doing today. And despite what you all see on my Instagram page, she kind of lies to y'all, because I don't comb my hair every day. I don't look like that on the daily. And now it's time for some nails. Y'all know I love nails, right? Alright, so I'm going to take off my old nails. I'll link the video down below if you missed the video on this set. I'm going to use my little artificial nail clipper. I already kind of got a head start. And it's time for these to come off. You know how you put glue at the back when your nail starts lifting? Once your nail lifts like that, it hurts very bad. So I'm going to use these artificial nail clippers just to trim them down. That way when I begin my soaking process, I'm not soaking off so much. The only thing when you do different 3D, if you put gems on your nails, Swarovskis, all of that, it's hard to really get the artificial clipper to fit underneath all of that. So I'm just going to take a regular nail clipper. If you don't have the fake nail tip clipper that I'm using, any type of nail clippers will work just fine. To soak off nails, nail polish remover will not work. You're going to need 100% acetone. I'm going to use these little soak off clips that I got from Amazon. I'll link them down below for you all. They also have the matching set. If you wear a gel on your toes, you can get them to soak off on your feet as well. Rip my cotton balls just to make them stretch a little further. I'm not redoing this voiceover because I've been redoing it so many times. Y'all just gonna hear me, okay? If y'all saw in the previous vlog where I cleaned out my Bath & Body Works candles, and once you clean out the jars, you can use them for multiple things. So you can pour your acetone into a jar like that. Another alternative is to just use the regular way and use aluminum foil. Regardless of which method you use, after you soak for about 15 minutes, to file off the part that is loosened up, and then re-soak the nails over and over. Repeat that process until all of your either acrylic or gel is removed from your nails. So in case you're new to my channel, I do what I call my subscriber PR unboxings, where I do hauls of different items my subscribers have sent me from their businesses. I received these press-on nails by Dawn, the jewel nails. In the kit, I received the IBD nail glue, her cuticle oil, the alcohol prep wipes, a buffing block, a cuticle pusher, a wood stick, as well as these press-on nails. They're super cute. They're my favorite color, hot pink. And she also included instructions on here. We have the apply and remove instructions. I'm going to push back my cuticles to avoid any lifting. And kind of like neaten up the edge of my nails, I'm going to take a alcohol wipe and just kind of remove any excess dust from my nails, because I don't want any oils to cause my nails to lift. Then I'm going to take the glue provided. I love the fact that she basically sends you everything that you would need to complete this set. Like, I don't have to go out and buy anything extra. And I'm just going to apply the glue and hold firmly for 10 to 20 seconds to adhere the nails and remove any air bubbles. She does recommend to apply the glue evenly to your natural nail instead of onto the artificial nail. That way you won't flood your cuticles or your sidewalls. So trying that method, I love that a lot. I love the rhinestones and the bling on these nails. And I'm going to go ahead now and apply the cuticle oil that she provided as well. Throw on a few rings just for extra glam. I love these nails so much. It takes me like 3 hours to do my acrylic nails, but I always shorten those videos for you all. But this set in real time only took me about 20 minutes, maybe 15 to do these nails. Thank you so much to my subscriber Dawn for thinking enough of me to gift me her press-on nails. Again, her Instagram is the Jeweled Nails. If you all are interested and want to check out her press-on nails business, I absolutely love the way my nails turned out. So it did take me at least a week to get all of this done, but at least now I have a fresh pedicure, soft feet, hairless legs, press-on nails. I kind of got a slick little bun. As long as I put my scarf on it, I'll be good to go. I always forget to say that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free to do so. I want to do more self-care and maintenance videos for you all, so be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you made it to the end, shout out to you. You're the real MVP. That's it. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you love videos like these, then be sure to check out the 2 that I've linked on the screen for you all. And I'll talk to y'all in my next upload. wonder if I just pull my braid really hard. Ooh. And then it just comes right off. Love that for me. So basically I could keep this if I want. No, I'm kidding. Kidding.